I would that we were my beloved, white beds on the foam of the sea, the tire of the flame of the meteor, before it can fade and flee, and the flame of the blue star at twilight hung low in the rim of the sky, as awaiting our hearts, my beloved, the sadness that may not die. Well, a weariness comes from those dreamers to double the lily and rose. I dream that of them, my beloved, the flame of the meteor that goes, and the flame of the blue star that lingers, low in the fall of the dew. Oh, I would we would change things to our birds on the wandering phone. And you. I am haunted by numberless silence and many a painted show, where time will surely forget us, sorrow come near us no more. Soon far from the rose and the lily and the threat of the flames would we be, were we only white birds, my beloved, poured out on the foam of the sea. WB Yeats, what a genius.